Country Reviews, and today we are unboxing Sip Spy. If you're not familiar with this, this is a tea discovery subscription box. Every package includes 4 teas customized for you. What I love about this is when you sign up, you're going to go on their website and you're going to fill out this survey that tells them all about what you like, what you don't like, caffeine levels you like, caffeine levels you don't like, flavors you don't like, things that you love, things that you hate, and then from there they're going to send you a customized box. Once you try all your teas, you'll go on Sip Spy's website and tell them what you liked, what you didn't like, and from there they'll further refine your profile. Every box is $15. I'll link down below to my full review. I will also link to Sip Spy with my affiliate link so you can check them out. This is my November box. We're going to open it together. Just before we get in here, I love floral teas and I love a mixture of herbal and caffeinated. All right, so you get the insert. On the back it tells you all about each of the teas. We'll look at that at the end. I see some good stuff. All right, right on top, we have some Choice Organics tea. There's 4 bags. This is Jasmine Green. I love jasmine. It's one of my absolute all-time favorite teas. I love floral teas. This is not for everyone. I don't know many people that love it the same way I do, but it's good. It does have like a bitter kind of flavor. It's a low caffeine because it is a green tea. The darker the tea leaf, the more caffeine you get. All right. We do have a bag, a sachet with disposable tea bags in it for the loose leaf tea that you will receive in this box. So those are really useful. And then we have from Yapan Brothers, this is Fire Roasted Warriors Yapan Holly Tea from the American Tea Company. This is new to me. I've never seen this brand. I kind of love this packaging. So Yapan is grown here in North America. I have only ever tried one kind of Yapan tea, so I'm excited to try this. I do believe it's caffeinated. We'll see on the insert here then. All right, here's a loose leaf tea from Chillology for self and home. This is coconut chai, robust and splendid. This is a caffeinated chai using black tea. This includes black tea, dried coconut, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Finally, we have, it's from Tea Goblin. I love this package. I have some tea from them already. This is the Luscious Lemon. It includes rooibos, sweet blackberry leaves, almond bits, marigold petals, lemongrass flavor, and it does contain nuts. So this is an herbal tea. So in my package, we have a highly caffeinated loose leaf tea. We have the Yapan is high caffeine as well. And that has just whole leaf Florida Yapan. This is grown in Florida. Then we do have the low caffeine jasmine green tea from Choice Organics. And then finally this herbal from Tea Goblin, which has the cutest packaging ever. If you're interested, like I said, in checking out Sip Spy, check them out down below. Or you can check out my full review on my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.